Hello everybody, so today I will talk about piecewise function. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the value of a and b to make sure that this one they can be about continuous. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the limit on the left of negative number 4 and the limit on the right of negative number 4. We know that if they want to be continuous, the value on the left is equal to the value on the right. So now I can put negative number 4 go in here and negative number 4 go in here. So we have 4 multiplied by negative number 4 plus 4a equal to number 2a with negative number 4, negative 4b. Now we need to simplify about this one, and we have negative 16 plus 4a equals to negative aa, negative 4b. So now I will put this one go to the left and this one go to the right. So we have 4a plus a8, you got about 12a plus 4b equals to number 16. Now we have one equation. Now let's go to positive number 4. So we need to have the limit on the left of positive number 4 and the limit on the right of positive number 4. That should be equal. So I will put number 4 go in here and number 4 go in here. So I will put this one go to here. This one we have 8a, negative number 4 plus ab. So we have positive 4b equals to number 4. So we have one equations and second equation. So we can create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of a and b. We have a equals to number 3 and b equals to negative number 5. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.